Okay, this is 9 lines, so it's a bit hard to see the whole page, but can we just go to the very top? So, Sarah, would you like to read out, how do you know that this is the Odyssey? Just to the very top of the page.
At the very top, I was scrolling so we could see the lines.
No, but
So
as soon as you've read it, yeah, can you read that word? That's right.
Odysseus.
Good. Odysseus. And actually, this is a word, this is a first declension noun. Guess what? Actually, this is actually in the genitive singular, but it's a slightly different looking genitive singular than we've been doing so far, right? I'm going to talk about that a bit more.
Yeah,
but it basically means of the Odyssey, scroll alpha, lines 1 to 10. And obviously I can't count because it's actually 1 to 9, but anyway. Don't tell my Greek math students that I can't count 10. Oh, thank you. Okay, no one will ever know. Okay.
Well, we'll announce it. Yeah.
Yeah, please, thank you. Get me fired from my job. Okay, so now, this is good. Now we can see all 9 lines. So I don't think we've looked at these yet in terms of finding first declension nouns. So, Helen, can you see a first declension noun?
Yeah, sure. I'll try. Musa.
Good. First line, Musa.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like Gaia, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in fact, yeah, can you tell us what case it would be in, Helen?
I would think vocative.
Vocative again, because even though it looks nominative, nominative and vocative are usually the same in this declension. And because it's an invocation, the poet is addressing the muse. So, oh muse, you know, speak to me of the man, etc., etc. Good. So there's our first one. Jackie, did you find another one in following lines?
In the following lines?
Yeah, not in the first line, but
okay.
So I'm telling you that even though a lot of the other words in that line end in alpha, none of them first declension nouns. Sorry about that. So go to line 2.
Oh, okay.
There's your clue, line 2.
Would that be crap. Yeah. Is that a hint? The cursor? No.
It's a hint that it's in line 2.
No. Terone?
It's the right word, but you're not. It's the word with a capital T.
Yeah.
Can try pronouncing that again.
It's a diphthong.
Tr. The second letter's a ro, right?
Teroi.
No, tr.
Sorry?
Don't put a vowel between the T and the R.
So, tro.
This is going to sound very familiar.
Troy. Oh,
hey.
Troy.
Troy.
Troyes.
Yeah, there you go.
Good.
Yeah.
Now, Jackie, this should look exactly like the same ending as BA. So what case is this?
It's I have to look. It's genitive singular.
Good. Genitive, yeah. So something of Troy.
Yeah. And
it turns out the next 2 words are the. I think the next word is one of your core vocab words, right?
Right.
Janet, could you say the next word? What's that second word? The word
Hieron.
after.
Yeah.
Hieron, yes. Remember what that means from your core vocab list?
Yeah. Sacred.
Sacred.
Sacred. Yeah.
Yes, and the word after it is one of the fancy words for a city.
Yeah.
So the sacred city of Troy.
Yeah.
But this is talking about the destruction of the sacred city of Troy. Good. So now we move on. Sarah, the next first declension noun. Got to skip a couple of lines here. Yeah, you're pointing to it.
Suchain.
Suchain, yes. What case and number?
I think that's accusative singular.
Good. And it's interesting because it was also in the beginning of the Iliad, but it was in the plural, meaning the souls of heroes. Here it's in the singular, so it's actually referring to Odysseus' own soul or his own life. This is where he's trying to save his own life.
Well, can I just
confirm
that everyone sees Sarah's page?
Oh, can you all see the page?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good.
It's just not showing on my page.
Okay.
Okay.
I think you're seeing Sarah's logo, are you?
I am.
Which is a very pretty logo you have, Sarah.
Yes.
Now, while we're on this line 5, can you jump we'll go to the next word. Helen, what's the next word?
Kai, after psyche, you mean?
Yes.
Kai.
Which means?
And.
And, yes. And then go to the next word.
Noston.
And you've heard that before somewhere, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
the return. Yeah.
Yes. And
Nostos.
yes, and this is interesting. This is something we're going to do today. You learned it as nostos, meaning the homecoming. Here it's noston, so I wonder why it has a different ending, Helen.
Accusative.
Wow, I think she's right.
Yeah.
Now, this is not first declension though, right? Why not?
No. But it's masculine.
Because it ends with, it's got a different vowel, right?
Yeah, it's
Os,
masculine.
on.
Yeah.
Yes. So, so far the first 2 days, right, Jackie, we were doing BA and Gaia. They have alpha and eta. Now, this is a quick preview of what's coming today. Is you can have an omicron coming before the ending, and this means not first declension, but in this case it's going to be second declension. So we're going to be doing those in a few minutes. But okay, so we've got Odysseus trying to protect his own life and the homecoming of his companions. So some great words in here. Yes, Janet.
Yeah, heteron is the
Yes.
comrades.
Yes,
Yeah.
heteron, it is. Exactly. So the homecoming of his comrades. How did he do, by the way? How did Odysseus do in preserving the homecoming of his comrades?
Not good.
Not good.
0%. Yes, not so good.
You got this and not the rest.
But he did try, right?
He did try. He did
Tried.
Right. Yeah.
But
Okay.
they didn't listen to him. Yeah.
But people keep that freedom in Homer.
Yes.
They have choices, and then maybe they
And sometimes
they
yeah.
wrong choices. Right.
Yeah. Okay, Janet.
Yes.
Janet, one more first declension noun on this page.
I wrote Thea.
Say it again.
I wrote Thea. Did
What
I
line?
say Thea? Thea? Where did I say Thea? Because I wrote Thea.
No, that's on the Iliad.
Why did I write?
Maybe it's in line 10 that we don't have. No, there's one more in line 7.
Let's see, line 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's a very long word. It's the longest word.
Okay, so it's going to be atastaliasin.
Excellent. And that is a very long word. What case is it, Janet?
That should be accusative.
No.
Nope.
It's going to match the endings that we've had.
Hold on. It has a asin.
It's got an
It has
iota
a sigma in it.
Yes.
Then
And
it's
iota subscript.
then dative, yeah.
Dative plural.
Dative plural, yeah.
And these are the friends that perished because of their own foolishnesses. So it's plural in the Greek. We would say foolishness, but it's their own foolish acts.
There's a new at the end. Is that the second? So that is that, as you said, the second declension?
No. That's there because, as Sarah just highlighted, if we didn't have the new there, you'd have a word ending with a vowel and another word beginning with a vowel.
Okay.
So this is the optional movable new that's put in to break the two vowels being next to each other. So good point, yes.